Guys, while it might be tempting to sell your house on your own or even work with a cut rate realtor, it's really not worth the headache. Here's a few reasons why. Number one, a professional, like myself, follows the latest housing market trends. Industry expertise is crucial, especially in a shifting market. I'll help you understand what's happening right now and what that means to you specifically and your property. Two, a professional helps maximize your pool of buyers. Buyer demand has eased this year as mortgage rates were rising, but I'll make sure your house gets in front of as many eager buyers as possible. Number three, a professional is a skilled negotiator. Demand has eased and inventory has increased. Buyers have more negotiation power. You need someone who's going to advocate for you and handle all the conversations about repairs, closing costs, and more, okay? If you are going to sell your house, you don't have to do it alone. And to be honest, you don't want to. Let's connect so you have an expert on your side. I'm Cassie Luchin, an expert in the Northern Virginia real estate market, and I am here to help you maximize your profit and your net. Trust me, it's worth it.